Oh, Melissa texted me. Fun stuff.
Went over one of the songs that I've already learned, and then they went over like the other song that I'm not doing. The only
Okay, so I'm in the refrigerator. About to scare Silly Ball. This is Katie.
So I don't know if you saw the comments on like the picture of the table with the spaghetti.
Oh yeah, big meal thing.
Yeah, it made me really happy. I'm like really thirsty at like water. Much needed. Is it full here?
She went up to get the van, but she's taking a really long time.
Weird.